today. And look what we have. We have our Chic beauty box. This is a bi-monthly subscription, and this is the July-August box. So let's get into it. How are you guys? How have you been? Me, I've been great. School's about to start. Are you guys ready? I don't know. This is my kids' senior year. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm so excited, but I'm also really sad. My little munchkin's growing up. But we about to be in the street. Just kidding. Kind of. Let's get into the box. All right. Here's the card. And it tells us what we have. Did I see fencing out here? Oh, snap. Okay, so here's the list of all the things you probably could have gotten. But you get five of these. So, and I think I already chose, but I don't remember my choices. So let's see what we got. All right. First up, Give Them Lala Beauty. I don't know what this is. What is this? Doesn't say. Let's look at the box. Or is it a card? Hydro Gloss. And this is in the shade Bottle Service. And this retails for $16. Let's see. Is it supposed to be dirty like that? You see all the speckles? I don't know. But here's the color. Let's see what we're dealing with. So it's a sheer nudie color. There we go. Okay. Nothing spectacular. Nothing spectacular, but you can make this work by itself with a brown liner and you'll be good to go. So cool. I can rock with that. Hopefully that little person that I was telling you about doesn't take it from me, because she's always in my stuff. Y'all got teenage girls that's always in your stuff? Even after you buy them stuff? And they always in your stuff still? Oh, get on my nerves. Anyways, up next from Ofra, Your Best Lashes Yet. HD Volumizing Mascara in black. I'm digging mascaras lately, because me and lashes still ain't getting along. So I guess I can show you guys the box. There we go. Ooh. And I really dig their packaging though. Like, no lie. I've been digging their packaging. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. I don't know if you see the brush. I like a nice sturdy brush. Like, it looks like it'll comb my lashes really good. I don't know why I smell mascara. It's so weird. Isn't it? Is it? No? Okay, that's fine. But it smells like mascara, in case you cared. All right, cool. This retails for $26. Not the most expensive mascara I've had. So hopefully it lives up to that price. But I'm glad to get this. Up next from NYX or NYX. Did y'all see that post they made on Twitter? Was it Twitter or was it Instagram, when they told you actually how to pronounce their brand name? I thought that was pretty funny. And I think I still got it wrong. My bad. Anyways, this is the color correcting primer base. It's in blue. Okay, so I don't know a lot about color theory, but I do know that certain color correctors can do certain things. I don't know what blue do, but I'll find out, I'm sure. So let's see, this retails for $14. So I'm not mad at that. I think maybe it's supposed to make your face brighter. I don't know. I'm gonna have to YouTube this or Google it, one of the two. All right, we're off to a really good start, and I'm gonna save this item for last because I think that's really amazing. But yes, next up from Mud Masky, we have a glowy illuminating blush drops in the color Pink Martini. So yeah, is it focusing? Can you see it? Okay, or maybe I should hold it like this or really like this so you can actually see it. It's late, y'all. My bad. But let's see. Let's swatch her. I don't do a lot of liquids because I'm still trying to master powders. But you never know. Ooh, so it's like a glow blush, like a highlighter blush. But there's the color. It's a lot more rosy pink. I saw, I don't know how to say her name, Yari G, I think. I really like her videos. She had swatched it because she does try-ons. And it was really soft. And she's a lot more fair than I am, so I don't exactly know how I would use this product. But it can't hurt to try. No, it cannot. Well, it's the end of the night. Let's try her. Let's see. Okay. You can tell I put something on my face, but I don't know if you can see that I put that on there. Really no different from this side because I got that glow. You feel? Oh, sorry. If you know what movie that is from, put it in the comments. Anyways, this is $28. I wouldn't buy it because I don't know how to use it. But, I mean, it doesn't seem like it would use a lot. Like, because that's what was coming out the tube. So I don't think it would use that much, but whatever floats your boat. So I'm just gonna wipe that off. And we're gonna get to the 5th item in our box. Yo, these letters are crazy. So this is the NARS Extreme Effect Eyeshadow Palette. Yeah, buddy. I don't think I own anything from NARS. Nope, I'm a lie. I bought some concealer that I have yet to use. Don't judge me. But here's what I assume the palette looks like inside. Pretty colors. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There's some shimmers, some mattes, a loaded latex. Let's see what that looks like. But I love Mars packaging. It's simple, it's clean, it's basic, but it's, you know it's NARS when you see it. Okay. And I'm here for it. Consistency. Consistency is key. This bad boy runs for $35. Nope, I lied. $59. Because you could have gotten another NARS product in here. Okay. There's the packaging. That's pretty. I like it. Yes, my nails are still pink. Did you guys go see the Barbie movie? Isn't it the most, like, beautifully ridiculous thing you've ever seen? But I loved it. And we'll absolutely go see it again. All right. Let's see. These are pretty. It's a nice neutral palette. Nothing that says, bam! No, but here's the colors. Really pretty. Really soft. You can take this everywhere with you and get all the looks. You got your neutrals, you got some shimmers, your mattes. And that black, I gotta swatch it just because of the name alone. I have to swatch that. It's real soft. But it doesn't show glittery. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of shimmers, but not really. Doesn't do too bad, but I'm not a great swatcher, so don't take my word for it. But let's, yeah, like it's not shimmery. No, if you can see it. There's a little shimmer there, but like you can get away with it like on the outside and not have to worry about it being too much if you wanted to use a different shimmer on the inside. But yeah, these are pretty, especially this champagne-y color here. But they're soft though. They are really soft. Oh, I swatched it over the black. That's actually really pretty. Let's see what we get. That's really pretty though. It's definitely not as hard. What was it, my last Ipsy box where we got the that Il Maquillage palette, the little quad. Was it a quad or did it? Yeah, it was a quad. Beautiful packaging, but I swear it's like pulling teeth just to get the color out of there. Like I have to swirl and swirl and swirl. Like I did my eye look today with that, and it's like pulling teeth just to get the color out of the palette. And I believe that was one of my power picks for the icon box, but I digress. So yeah, that was my Chic Beauty box. So let's recap, okay? We got the NARS. They call it the Extreme Effects eyeshadow palette, and it's still pretty neutral. For me, I feel like it's neutral. There's not a lot of color. So, but we got this, and this one was $59. So that's amazing. Like, I think the box is only 30 bucks, if that. And it's bi-monthly. So I feel like this is an amazing deal. Just for this alone. This pays for the box. So yeah, we got the eyeshadow palette. We got the lip gloss. The mascara from Ofra, which I'm super excited to try. I might try it tomorrow. And then we got the NYX Color Base Correcting Primer. And we got the highlighter blush. That's what I'm gonna call it. Blush, because it is. It say blush and highlighter right there. It's small, but I read it. I did. But yeah, so that's my box. I thought it was amazing. This is a mainstay. I'm keeping her. Yeah, did you guys get the box? Did you guys make the same choices? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, so stay tuned. You can check out the other ones. I'm gonna learn how to put the iCards up so you guys can go look at my other Chic Beauty box videos. But until then, well, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.